Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Last time I made a poll and paper wallet won, so here is how to make a paper wallet. This is the wallet and it's pretty cool. It has 3 pockets and you can fit in cards, money, documents, cash, anything, and it doesn't fall out. It's pretty cool. You can even fit in coins, and that doesn't fall out too because of this flap here. There's this emergency pocket to fit your cash and take it out really fast. And that's it, but let's get into how to make the paper wallet. And there we go, you have completed your wallet. You can fold it in half to fit anything. I mean, it's pretty useful to make a fast wallet, I guess. And it's pretty cool. You can fit everything in there, and that's your wallet. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you later. Bye. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, it has a hole in the middle.